Hello everybody, my name is Desmond Otu and I'm here to talk about timbre. The Hazard Dictionary defines timbre as a character of sound that is distinct from its pitch, length, intensity, and tone color. Timbre is a result of the following factors. Material of instruments. The material of instrument plays the biggest the material of instruments. Wood, metal, animal skin, vocal cords and other material plays the biggest factor in timbre. Attack and articulation. What does the note sound like? Attack and articulation. What does the beginning of the note sound like? What is the instrument struck or played with? How soft or hard is the attack? Sustained pitch. How does the note sound like after the attack? Is there a presentation of vibrato? A vibrato is a rapid vibration of a pitch that adds richness to the sound. Thank you.